Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Today I'm coming to show you a project and do a little tutorial on how I did the project. But before we do that, we'll get to the word of the Lord. Our word of the Lord today is coming from our box of prayer cards from our friend Audrey. Thank you, Audrey. So our prayer today is, you are my hiding place. You protect me from trouble. You surround me with songs of victory. Psalms 32 and chapter 7. Today our project is, let's see what I do with mine. It's something to keep our headphones. I'm going to make some for cords later, but I started with the headphone one. And this is what I made. I made a little headphone keeper, or whatever you call it. I'm not even sure what you call it, but I took some faux leather that I've gotten from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure I've done a haul on this channel, and you just put your headphones in it, and then you just begin to wrap the cord. Once you get your cord all wrapped, and then you snap it together with the cam snap, and then you can throw this in your bag, throw it in your purse, and then your headphones will not be getting all tangled up. So let's show you what I used to do this project. You guys know how I always say I don't throw anything away. Truly, I don't throw anything away. This was a I used this to do some bracelets that I did with the Glowforge. So I kept this template. I think the shape that I ended up going with for the Glowforge was this one right here. So I made another sheets of them with just this one. So that's what I use this for, but I was trying out different shapes. So yeah, so that's what this was for. So I just kept it, I put it to the side, and I just never got rid of it. So then when I wanted to make this project, what I did was I went and I got some of my faux leather that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I paid like $1.74 for some of them, 99 cents for some of them, but it's just faux leather. So what I do is I take this, and the only shapes that I used was this one, this one, this one, and this one. I didn't use the ones with the little jagged edges and stuff. So then I just, on the back of it, I just traced the shape, and then this is the front of it. So then I took it, and what did I do with my, so then I took it and I just took some scissors and I cut it out. So I'll just cut out one right quick and show you what I do with it. So I'm just gonna cut this out right quick, and I will get up my scraps in a minute. I have a trash bag on the side of me, but I don't want to bend down right now. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Today is Sunday, May 26th, the day before Memorial Day. Me and my husband, we went out to church. Church was really good. We had a guest pastor. Our pastor is in Malaysia ministering right now. Our church motto is love God, serve others. And we are a church from the neighborhood to the nation. So our pastor goes a lot of places and ministers the gospel. He's been to Ukraine since there's been a war. God has called him to Ukraine, so he's been over there, and you know, him and his wife prayed, and he felt like God was leading him to go when they asked him to come, and he went to the Ukraine in the middle of a war. And so God just has his hand of protection over him for the things that he has called him to do. So we praise God for that. So now I have cut out my shape. So then what we will do is I will take my shape, the rest of the stuff for the project, okay. I have this box, and it is full of cam snaps. I have this cam snap tool that I got. I think I got this from Tuesday morning, maybe. maybe Joann's, I'm not sure, but it comes with the awl, and it comes with screwdrivers, and it comes with a bunch of other stuff. But Hobby Lobby was clearancing out some of these little cam snap things, or they're not cam snaps, they're Zoology, but they fit in the cam snap. And then I got this one, I think from Hobby Lobby too, and this was like a Babyville, something that you put on diapers or something, but I just bought them when they were clearanced out. So I will take my awl tool, and I just fold the item in half that I created. This is what we just cut out. And I will fold it in half, right sides together. And then I will try to find the center, and I will just stick my awl through it, all the way through. And then, let's see, I will use some yellow ones. So I will take 2 yellows, and a yellow back and a yellow front. So this is one of the fronts, the male and the female. Sorry, we got cut off. So I stuck my awl through it. Let's see if I can find my awl place again, because we got cut off. So I just stuck my awl through it. I got out a male and a female portion of the cam snaps and 2 of the backing. So I will put 1 through the little hole. I will put either the male or the female portion. And then I will take my cam snap. We dropped it. So we'll get another one. That one fell, and I don't feel like bending over. So then I'll just take my cam snap tool. I will put the little head part in the little black tray, and I will squeeze. All right, and then we will do the same thing. We will take the male portion or the female portion, whichever one you didn't use before, and you will put that on the top, and then you will put the nail head part into the black tray and squeeze, and then you snap it together. It's just that quick. So now you have an earphone keeper. We'll do it one more time. Here's another one, and then I'll show you some of the other ones that I did. And I'll just take my awl. After I cut it out, I'll just take my awl, try and find the center, and I will, let's see, let's put a white one on this one. I'll get a white, 2 white heads and a white male and female part, and we will find our hole, stick it through the hole. We will put the little male or female part on it, and then we will stick it in the tray and squeeze. Do the same thing on the other side. Stick your other piece on there, squeeze it down, take your cam snap tool, put the head part into the tray and squeeze. And then there you have it. So now we've just, that quick, we've made 2 of them. One with the white head, I don't know if, yep, there's the white head, and then one with a yellow head. All right, and then this was a different shape, but this is what we used our, put our headphones on. And then, like I said, we just used faux leather from Hobby Lobby when it was on clearance, and this is always clearanced out. And then we used a cam snap tool, which they still sell these at Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, different places. Or I'm sure you can get it online at Amazon. And then you can still get the little cam snaps. I have a bunch of them because I bought some as they clearanced out, bought different colors. And you can get this whole tool set on Amazon. I've seen a bunch of people get the whole tool set. But I have a bunch of different faux leather from Hobby Lobby. So I've made these ones, these little glitter ones. I've made this shiny one. I made this mermaid scale looking one. And more of this one. And I just put different little cam snaps on them. I made this one and this one. And then we've made a bunch. We made a bunch of them. So I'm just going to put them out at my next crafting event or something and see how they sell. I know most people have the Bluetooth headphones now, but when your Bluetooth runs out and you need to still listen, hopefully you'll carry your headphones with you, and to keep them all organized in your bag, your book, your pocket, or whatever. Here's some round ones that we did, more square ones, and then that shape. And then we just have, oh, I even did some clear ones. I'll show you those in a second. But here's another one of those shapes. Here's a round blue glitter one. And here's this shape. And on this one I did, because it looks more pink on that side, I put a pink cam snap. Because it looks more blue on that side, I put a blue cam snap. And then I also have these leather ones. And then I also did, I don't know if you could tell, but this is the clear one. So I put a yellow cam snap on this clear one. And then on this one, I put a pink cam snap. So I'm just gonna put these out on my table at my next vendor event. And I'll probably sell them for $1, maybe $1.50 or something like that. I'll have some with the headphones in them so people will know what they're for. And that's what I made. I'm also going to make some that you wrap up your like your cords in, like a computer cord or a cord to, you know, whatever, your phone cord or whatever. So I'm going to make some of those as well. So stay tuned for that. But they're going to be made the same way, maybe just a different shape. So we'll see if we'll come back and show you what those look like. But thank you for joining me for my video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And because I had to add this video to the last video, the word of the Lord is in the first one, and that was using our prayer cards from our friend Audrey. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.